This railway ongoing project in Ghana, guys, this is another endorsement. Let's go there and analyze it, guys. Hello, my wonderful people. Hello, Gojo. Welcome back to Patient Channel Vlog, guys. I'm back again. We are going to be talking about ongoing project in Ghana. I know this ongoing project going to shock you, and created by President Nana Akufo-Addo railway project elite for Ghana to Burkina Faso, guys. This is large, and this project is so massive, guys. You need to be listening. If you are Ghana that live in diaspora, President Nana Akufo-Addo is just amazing, always creative in Ghana, guys. So you guys, you still go listen for masses for this video we are going to be dropped, guys. If you have never subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor by subscribing to this channel, like the video and share the video. Do not forget to hit the notification icon so that anytime I post a new video, you're going to be notified. For my viewer, those that come across my video, those that sharing my video, may God bless you all, guys. You all know that I'm always talking about President Nana Akufo-Addo. Now I'm going to drop this video to listen to the masses so that we know what is going on in Ghana, the wonderful job President Nana Akufo-Addo did in Ghana, guys. Let's watch together, guys. I'd like to see you all in my next one, guys. Bye.